In this video, you are going to learn what combustion is, the difference between complete and incomplete combustion, the products of two types of combustion, and the effects of the products of combustion. Combustion is burning, usually in air which is all around us or in oxygen. It is an exothermic reaction, which means it gives out heat. A fuel stores potential energy that can be released as heat when we burn the fuel. For example, a fuel is a natural gas or methane. This is the fuel we burn to heat up our food. Methane, like other hydrocarbon fuels such as petrol, can undergo either complete or incomplete combustion. When methane undergoes complete combustion, that is in a plentiful supply there, it produces carbon dioxide and water as shown by the equation. CH4 plus 2O2 give CO2 plus 2H2O. When methane undergoes incomplete combustion, that's in a limited supply, there it produces either carbon monoxide and water or carbon and water as shown by the equation. 2CH4 plus 3O2 gives 2CO plus 4H2O and CH4 plus O2 gives C plus 2H2O. Now, the effects of the products of combustion. Water vapor, as we all know, is harmless. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and contributes to global warming. Carbon monoxide, however, is toxic. It's colorless, odorless, tasteless, and so is called the silent killer. Carbon monoxide is often produced by faulty gas appliances. That's why it's important to have your gas phase and boilers regularly serviced. Unburnt carbon is a particulate and is a pollutant in the air. So, to recap, combustion is burning, usually in air or oxygen. Complete combustion of hydrocarbons produces carbon dioxide and water. Incomplete combustion produces either carbon monoxide and water or carbon and water. And the products of combustion have various effects.